Hey everybody, how you doing today? Now we're gonna compare the Motorola Edge 20 Pro with the, of course, Oppo Find X3 here. These phones both are amazing, to be honest with you. I'm really impressed by Motorola and how they actually able to make a periscope with such a great budget. That will open the market for more phones to actually drop the price on the periscope lenses and make things more accessible to the public. Now, let's compare these two phones. To be honest with you, the feel on hand, they both feel the same because the curve in it, as you can see on the sides here, it's both curved on the sides and a little bit on the top. So when you hold it, you don't feel like you're holding something very boxy, like for example the Note 20 Ultra. It's so boxy, so circular, so you don't feel that. It's very easy on the hand, especially in the corners here, the twisted corner here. Give you really good comfortable hold on the phone. That's how I actually use, like, day by day. So it's very close to the Oppo Find X3 when it comes to the hold. Now, one thing about the Oppo Find X3, that it has also curve on the screen on the sides here. So that curve over here does affect the way you actually use your phone. Sometimes when I want to go back, I feel that I'm touching the edges here with the screen protector. So sometimes I feel like you know, it's tricky. You need to get used to it because I'm not used to phones that have edges like that. I'm used to have phones all flat screen all my time. So with the Motorola, uh, here what you can see is that it's so flat. It's very flat, and it's, for me, it's easy to use, so you can easily slide left to right. So usability techniques, when it comes to usability, it's very comfortable for me. I'm used to it. Here, as you can see, the periscope lens, it's a boxy design and it's very nice. It's kind of different than other, periscopes. Other periscope looks like very big periscope, like the square design becomes bigger than the circle. Here, it's like looks very symmetrical. It looks very well designed to be fit with the design aspect or engineering aspect. So I really dig the design here with the Oppo, with the Motorola, sorry. Both phones have the microphone zoom here. As you can see, when you zoom with the video, you get zooming quality of the microphone, so that's really great. To be honest with you, when it comes to the camera, we have 108 megapixel, and we have an amazing 50 megapixel. This is a flagship camera here. I cannot say better. This camera in the Oppo Find X3 destroys every phone in the market. It has dual 50 megapixel, one for ultra wide and one for the main camera. And we have this camera over here, which is, as you've seen my videos before with the Find X3, that give you a telescope zoom. It's crazy. You can see small tiny things on the like on the table and stuff like that. But when it comes to functionality, I'm always gonna pick the periscope over any lens, any other lens. Periscope always goes there. Now, good thing about the cameras here, they all shoot great in the night mode, but giving this is a bigger sensor, I would say the Find X3 shoots better camera, better video, better pictures at night than the Motorola. Motorola, don't get me wrong, Motorola is really good. It's really good at night, but also you can have the Gcam. I installed the Gcam. I'm gonna show you a video about the Gcam itself and how to use it here, both for the periscope and the main camera, ultra wide. So you can use this Gcam in all three cameras, which is really awesome. So yeah, so in conclusion, price wise, this is almost cuts the price in half, like from this. It's crazy how Motorola priced this phone. And if you can find it for around 2000 Saudi riyals, go get it. I found it for from STC. In STC, they have an offer for 2000 riyal, and I was able to capitalize on it. There are two colors, the white and the blue. I picked the blue because it looks better. So yeah, that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Take care, everybody. Oh, by the way, both CPUs the same, Snapdragon 870. Yep. So take care, everybody. See you in another video.